So it's now time to learn how to do a rib. So this one's been knit in the round for a beanie. If you don't know how to knit and purl yet, you do need to go back to the other classes and tutorials and learn how to knit and purl first. So the rib will give you a knit one, purl one rib. That's what I'm going to be doing for this one. What you have to do, so you just have to knit and then purl. Yarn at the back for the knit, through the left, around, down and up, yarn to the front, through the right, around, down and off. So just repeat this, and remembering to bring your yarn to the front for a purl, yarn to the back for a knit, because if you don't do this, if I try and purl with the yarn at the back, it's going to have like a bump in it. If I do it normally, it's going to be uniformed like the other stitches. If I knit with the yarn at the front, then it's going to be a similar kind of mistake. So you want to remember to yarn out the back for knitting, yarn out the front for purling. Just remember that not all ribs are the same. Most of my patterns do a knit one, purl one in the round. Some do 2 by 2 or 2 by 1. You just have to remember. And also remember which ones are your knits and your purls. So the purls are in the middle, that one's horizontal, and the knits are on the other sides of them, and those ones are vertical. So usually the purls are indented and the knits are raised. So just keep on going with that, remembering the yarn out the front for the purling and the yarn out the back for knitting. That's crucial. Take your time as well, because you don't want to be making mistakes and having to unpick it, especially for the rib.